Hello guys, Alex here. I've bought this GameBoy on eBay. As you can see, it's a bit dirty and the screen lens always falls off. But that's not a big deal. However, the sound isn't working and today I'm gonna show you how I repaired it. At first I tested if it can read a game. The display, contrast setting and the buttons worked perfectly, but the speaker was silent. So I started to remove the 6 tri-wing screws to open up the shell. In the inside there were more screws to remove. Now the front part of the shell was free. At the bottom of the shell there is a little board with the audio jack. Inside there is a little switch which detects whether there are headphones plugged in or not. These are the 2 contacts of that switch. It's a common problem that this little switch is stuck and therefore prevents the audio from being played through the speaker. So I checked the continuity. When the headphones are plugged in, the connection is cut and there shouldn't be continuity. When they are not plugged in, there should be, and the multimeter should beep. And it does. If you don't have a multimeter, you can just short the 2 pins with a paperclip. If there's still no sound, it's not a faulty switch, but something else. So I tried to hold another speaker to the contacts, but still no sound. Then I tested the speaker with a button cell, and it made these cracking noises. That means the speaker is okay, but the signal doesn't reach it. However, I then cleaned the shell and the buttons with some soapy water and a toothbrush. The PCB was really greasy, so I decided to give it a clean too, with some alcohol, a toothbrush and some Q-tips. I also cleaned the button contacts, as there is often some residue from years of usage. So I checked where the signal was cut and found this little capacitor, which was leaking. That seemed to be the problem, so I cut it off and soldered another one in its place. That's the moment of truth. Yes, the sound is working again. This GameBoy is now about 30 years old and is working again like on day one. It's a pity that so many people are just throwing away old electronics instead of trying to fix it. It only cost me a fraction of a buck to get that thing back to life. So that's it, the GameBoy works and is clean again. Nonetheless, the shell is yellowed and I could retrobrite it to restore its original look. But that's for another video. Bye for now.